Do you want to learn how to make a Gorilla Tag profile picture without making it look hideous, disgusting, grotesque, awful, unpleasing, and unattractive? Well, here's how. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the link in the description and go to Nacho Engine's Discord server. Go to Creation Labs and search up Fullduck's Face Rig. And then after you found this, you want to go ahead and download it. And then after you download it, open Blender. And if you don't have Blender, just go to their website and download it. And then go to your downloads and drag the file into Blender and hit open. And this is very important. After you open it, go to these little red dots right here and turn them off because we are not animating today. But with this rig, whenever you go into pose mode and touch something, there's gonna be some keyframes already there. And this is complicated if you're new to Blender. But what you want to do is you just want to right click and delete them. So go on to this on all the parts you're gonna move and just delete the keyframes. So after you've deleted all the keyframes, you want to change your monkey's color. So for me, I am a purple monkey. So you can go over here and just drag it on whatever color you want to be. And then click on the name and hit tab to go into edit mode. Delete it and make sure you're in all caps because it looks weird in lowercase. My name is Mushy. Press S to scale it up and have the name pretty big so you know people know it's you. It should start in your camera view, but you can hold down the mouse wheel to look around your gorilla. But if you want to go back to your camera, click view, cameras, active camera, and then click on the rig of your gorilla, not the fur, the rig, and hit Control Tab to go into pose mode. Now we can start posing our gorilla. But you may be thinking you don't want your gorilla to have a blank stare into the open abyss. So now you want to make your gorilla tag have a facial expression. So what you want to do is click on the fur, go to the material tab, and right here is all your face settings. And it goes through all the different settings you see in Gorilla Tag. So I think I want my face to be face number 3. And you can change where the eyes are looking. It's gonna have mine looking straight for now. You can also make it a lava monkey, ice monkey, or a rock monkey. And after you have your face set up, now you need to get some cosmetics. So go to the second link in the description and it should take you to this GitHub page. Go to File, search your cosmetic. Then after you found your cosmetic, hit download. And you should be able to just drag it into Blender and hit import FBX. And then it should be in Blender. And then after you do that, you can rotate it to your gorilla. So after you put your hat on, you may be like, oh, I don't like this at all and I want to move his head a little bit, but you don't want to have to reposition the hat. So what you want to do is click on the hat, shift click on the rig, go into pose mode, click on what you want it to be attached to. In this case, it's a hat, so you want to click on the head. Hit Control P and hit bone. And if it disappears somewhere, hit make parent and keep transform. Then after you've done that, it should stay. So now I don't really like my camera angle. It kind of makes him look fat and we don't want him to look fat. So hit view, camera, active camera. If you're already in it, don't worry about this. Then go to navigation, walk navigation, and then just use W, A, S, D, E, and Q to go up and down. So okay, so after you're done with this, go to world and then hit this X right here to delete it. Also go into render tab. Make sure to delete any other lights you have. Then hit new, and then you can turn the strength up as high as you want. But don't make it too high or it may look weird. I put mine at about 53. But before you render it, you want to make sure you have a folder to put it into. So right click on your mouse, hit new, folder. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna make it Gorilla Tag Pro File Picture. Yeah. So now go back to Blender and then now you can go to render. Okay, now that you've rendered it, you want to go to image, save as, and then go to your desktop and find the folder you made and hit save as image. Then you want to go to any browser and search up Photopea. And after you've done that, open your folder that you have your picture in and then drag the file in right here. So when you're here, you want to click on the background, hit duplicate layer, and then delete the background. Then after you've done that, you need a background for your image. And you can just search up any background. And after you have your background, you can drag it in behind your gorilla and scale it up to be the size. Now I want to add some effects to this background. So I'm going to hit search, mosaic, and select the strength. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And now that we're done with our profile picture, you just want to hit file, export as, PNG and then hit save. Then after you're done with that, you want to drag it into the folder you just made. And then you should have your profile picture. You should subscribe to this channel while you're out there. You should do it now. Such a cool outro.